Hello everyone, I'm Niocle from HANTENCNC. Today I would like to introduce you a 4-in-1 welding machine, which combines with cutting, cleaning, welding functions in one. There are 3 different types of powers: 1,500 watts, 2,000 watts, 3,000 watts. The higher the power, the thicker the material can be welded, meeting different work needs, whether your needs to weld, clean, or cut. The multifunctional machine is your ideal choice for professionals and small business. Next, let me show you the functions of the machine. Welding function. The welding function can provide high-precision metal welding suitable for various materials such as steel, aluminum, etc. The welding is firm and reliable, ensuring the safety of the workpiece. Cleaning function. The cleaning function efficiently removes rust and paint from the metal surface. It can save your time and energy while restoring the parts to their original states. Cutting function. The cutting function can easily cut metal. HANTENCNC unique design. Flip screen design. The flip screen design makes the machine more convenient to operate while protecting the screen and expanding its service life. Intelligent control system. The machine is equipped with an advanced intelligent control system, which is easy to operate and can easily adjust the power to adapt to the processing needs of different materials, improve work accuracy, and increase production efficiency. At the same time, built-in safety functions ensure safe operation. Space-saving design. The compact design makes the machine easy to move, compact structure, and save space without sacrificing functionality. Durability. We use high-quality materials to manufacture the machine to ensure long-term and high-load operation, whether in a small workshop or large industrial environment. It can cope with variety of tasks and perform stably. Our machine is ideal for the following industries: automotive repair, used for welding and cleaning parts, removing rust and contaminants from body panels, exhaust systems. Metalworking, ideal for cutting and welding metal sheets, and cleaning and maintenance molds and tools. Manufacturing, suitable for small to medium-sized production tasks, including cleaning, welding, and cutting of various parts. DIY projects. The simple and easy-to-use design is perfect for home, workshops, or hobbies. If you're interested in our machine, welcome to contact us.